Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, I'm going to start off by saying that there's a couple different ways we can achieve this. The most common one and utilized basically on every device would be by pressing the power button and volume down at the same time. Now, before you do so, open up content that you wish to capture so it's visible on your screen, like the home screen that I'll be capturing is visible for me right now. And from there, simply press both of these buttons at the same time. You will have this flash and a pop-up with the edit, tag, and share options, which do disappear after a moment. So that's one way. Now, another way is by utilizing your pen, which comes obviously provided with the device. When you tap it on the screen, it will show up with this little icon right here, pen, and you can tap on it. Now the first time around it gives you some kind of like information, just tips for it, whatever. So I'm gonna skip through this. Done. And now when we tap on it, we have a couple options. Now the ones that we're interested in will be the Smart Select. So when you click on it, it will give you several different ways you can select image. So the first one is basically a box, so you can draw it diagonally and it will select the in diagonal box around it. Then we have a free select, so this will actually allow you to draw on a screen and select like specific area that you want to. Then we have a circle or ellipse, I think that's how it's called. So just a circular one, which again you draw diagonally and it just extends. And then we have things like the screen pin. So similar to this one, just creates a pinned image that you have captured on the display. And then next to that we have GIF. Anyway, I'm gonna just utilize this one right here as an example because it's the most, I guess, unique one. So from here we're gonna just draw. So I wanted to make it just kind of weird, just so you can see how it affects it. And once you capture it like this, you will need to save it, which you do so by clicking right here on this kind of like download button or arrow down. And once that's saved, you can navigate to your gallery, and in here, that's the screenshot, as you can see. And the white space around it, it's just part of the background of the actual app. So in actual photo view, this would be transparent. There's nothing around here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.